Hello everyone, myself Dipti Nitin Zamolkar, second year B.Pharm student from Siddhant College of Pharmacy. Today I am going to represent cup and bob viscometer. So the definition is cup and bob viscometer work by defining the exact volume of a sample to be shared within a test cell. The torque required to achieve central rotational speed. Principle for the cup and bob viscometer is in which the sample are the shared in space between outer wall, the bob and inner wall of a cup into the which our bob is fit. Now either the bob or cup is made up of rotation or torque resulting from viscous bag is measured by spring or sensor in the drive and bob. The number of rotation or torque showing rate of shear stress represent respectively N is equal to kV W upon V, where W is weight on hanger stress, V is the shear stress and kV is constant of instrument.
In standard liquids for a calibration as a sample, under the study is a place in the space between the cup and bob is allowed to the reach temperature of equilibrium. Second point, the temperature is the maintained constant of the influence its viscosity. Third point, a weight is a place to the hanger of the taken for the bob to rotate the time is recorded. Then the fourth point is that the data is converted into the RPM. Fifth point, the value of represent to shear rate at the point shearing stress. Sixth point, in the sample procedure is separated in the weights. In this way, rheogram can be constructed by the plotting RPM versus weight added. Then advantages, easy to use. Second point, small and portable. Third point, can be used and wide variety of capillary tubes on the same viscometer. Then the fourth point is inexpensive. Disadvantages, no single tube is suitable for all viscous. Second point is the basic models can only be used in the translucent fluids. Third point is difficult to clean the capillary tubes. Then the application is to measure the torque required to the rotate a disc or bob in a fluid at known speed. Thank you so much.